We're doing a quick walkthrough of the Hanover Turtle Creek B7. So we're going to walk in and just so you can see what it looks like. This is the B7. We're walking through here. The B7 is really nice. That looks like a really nice study that's here. I really like that. So it's a study or a second bedroom because there's a connection to the bathroom there. That's super cool. Love that. I'm going to walk through the bathroom, and that's really cool. Love that. And then here's the shower. So the shower is really cool too. Love this view. This is awesome. Okay, so now we go out here, and this is the actual living room area of the apartment. There's a nice bar area that's over there. It's a really generous space on this. This is super cool. So this is actually a 2.5 two-bedroom with a study. It's a very nice. We're walking through here just to kind of see this. And one of the bedrooms, and there's the storage. And then we're going to walk through and see what I believe is the master. Yep, this is the master over here. So we're going to walk through here. By the way, it does have a balcony, so you can see that balcony. The master has access to see this balcony right there. And then we're going to walk into the bathroom, so you can see it. Very attractive. Dual sinks. It's super pretty. And there is that shower. So we walk in here, and then we've got a really nice closet for you here, a lot of space. So that's just a brief walkthrough of this beautiful floor plan. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want to get some more information about this floor plan or any floor plan at the Hanover Turtle Creek, send me a text at the number below. I'll immediately respond, get you information, pricing, and availability for everything you need here at the Hanover. We can also compare, if you want to compare to other uptown high-rises, we can do that as well, and even set up virtual Zoom tours or live tours.